Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to create PDF from website in Safari on your iPhone. So let's go to Safari and let's open a website, and then you want to tap share icon. If you cannot find it, then you have to tap this three-dot button and now tap share. So under the title of this website, you will see options. So now let's tap on PDF and let's tap this check mark in the top right. So now let's go to Save to Files button and of course tap Save. So that's it. If you go to Files, you will see, let's go to Recents, and as you can see, this is the website that I have saved as PDF. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.